What is the name of our country?
Our country India.
How is the father of our nation?
Our Gandhi. Our national farmer. Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi.
What is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi.
What is the capital of India?
New Delhi.
What is the national language of India?
Our North India. Language Hindi.
Which is our national bird?
Peacock.
Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Which is our national flower?
Lotus. Mummy, chocolate. Okay, madam.
Which is our national tree?
Listen.
Which is our national river?
Ganga.